In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dual lighting effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, click the Adjustment Layer button and choose Gradient. Set the angle to -180 degrees. Click the Gradient Preview to open the Gradient Editor. Double-click this color stop right here. Now set the color to red as shown. Click OK. Drag the red color stop to the right to spread the color more. Also drag the left opacity stop to the right to increase the fade. Once it's done, click OK. Again, OK. Change the gradient layer's blending mode to color. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the gradient layer. Double-click the duplicated layer's gradient thumbnail. Set the angle to 0 degrees. Click the gradient to open the gradient editor. Double-click this color stop right here. Change the color to cyan as shown. Then click OK. Again, OK. And again, OK. And that's it. You've created a dual lighting effect in Photoshop. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.